Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to create account in your Signal app. Open your Signal app and then tap on continue. Here you can choose if you want to allow the app to send you notifications or allow access to your contacts or allow the app to make phone calls. You can either choose to allow or don't allow. I'm going to choose don't allow for all. And then you have to put your phone number. If you tap on the country, you can select your country from the list here. And then you have to enter your number here manually. Tap on next when you are done, and then a verification code will be sent in your mobile number. Copy the code here and paste it here. It will automatically redirect you to this page. Here you have to put your name. On the first box you have to put your first name, and on the second box you have to put your last name. After you are done, tap on next. And you have to create a PIN for your profile. Creating a PIN is similar as creating a password. The only difference is that you can use alphabets in your password, but you have to use only number while creating your PIN. You have to re-enter the same PIN to confirm that this is the PIN you want to use. When you are done, tap on next and your profile is created. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.